modify these windows to fit in these windows here. Okay, so that's it actually. And then let's create ceiling. So from top view, and that's wireframe, and then let's draw a rectangle from here to here. Then let's extrude, Control E, 10-inch. Alright, and then from front view you can just move to the top. Alright, that's it. And then you can apply the material, white material. Alright, that's it. Then I'm going to show how to create the perspective, interior perspective views from here. Okay, to create the perspective views we need camera. Okay, so let's go to camera, and then I'm gonna select not standard, I'm gonna select the V-Ray, and then I'm gonna use the V-Ray physical cam. Okay, so click this one, and then you can just click and drag. Click means it generates camera, and then drag means you can set the direction of camera. You can set the focal point of camera. Okay, so then you can specify the location of camera from top view, and then from front view you can move camera to the eye level. Alright, like here. Okay, if you choose the camera here, you can just select camera only. You cannot select other object. This is really handy to move camera within the among the a lot of objects. All right, so then from top view, actually we need to change viewport. Okay, so let's go to the maximize viewport toggle. On this toggle you have to right click on your mouse, then you should select this layout, this viewport layout. Alright, click OK. Now you have two different views. Okay, so from front, one should be top view and one should be camera view. So from here you can right click and then views, and then V-Ray physical camera view. You have to select this one. So you know, this view actually directly follows this camera's location movement. Okay, so as you can see, if you move this camera to top, and in the top view, this view is directly follows the movement of camera. Okay, so this is really easy to adjust the perspective views. Alright, so like that. As you can see, here is the living room areas and some corridors. Alright, and then let's get inside of this bedrooms. So like that, and then you should find the best perspective views for each space. So now I'm gonna create this bedrooms perspective. So I think this is enough, And then also under the physical cams parameter, you can change the film gate and the focal length. Alright, so if you change this one as 25, you have like some bigger perspectives, some wide perspectives. But if you don't input like a too much focal length, it creates like some distortion. Alright, so maybe 30 is enough, I think. And for here, yeah. So I think this is good views. Okay, let's render this perspective views. Okay, so let's select this viewport. Don't select this top viewport. You have to select this V-Ray physical cameras viewport, and then let's click the render production toggle. Now you have this rendering images. Why this is too dark? Because there are several reasons, but one main reason is there are no sunlight, no lighting device. And then another reason is the physical cams f number is too high. F number means is totally same as f stops. F stop function in physical camera. If you decrease its value, it means more light. It means bigger aperture in the physical cams, so it absorb more light. So it becomes the brighter images, rendering images. Okay, so if you increase this f number, it means small aperture in physical cams. It observe less light. All right, so the original rendering image was too dark, so we are gonna decrease its value as a 4, and then let's render. Okay, so now you have like a more it's brighter images. Okay, so but actually in this rendering images there are no like a penetrated light and also shadows, so it looks really flat. So we need to add the light. Okay, so let's add V-Ray sunlight. I'm going to use the V-Ray sun. So under light, you should select the V-Ray and then V-Ray sun. Alright, and then let's click and drag. Right, and then if you have this message, would you like to automatically add a V-Ray sky environment map? Click yes. Alright, and then from front view, you have to move the sun to the right position. Alright, so like here.